Reaching us to this particular moment that the match between Atlanta United and Inter Miami, one of the USA Master Super League clubs, teams, or whatever, that Leo Messi won't be fit enough to be among the Argentina squad when the preparation for the World Cup slated qualifying matches between the European countries and the rest of the World Cup. He will not be seen in the match because of an injury that he actually occurred during the Atlanta United match between Inter Milan. So because of this, an agreement has been reached between the two clubs, both the country and that of the club, to allow Messi to have a rest for himself at this time. So we just want to bring this to your notice, and we wish you, Leo Messi, we wish you a speedy recovery, and please let's use this opportunity to also wish Leo Messi a speedily recovery. Meanwhile, he did very well, which makes him, they gave him the icon of the man of the match, which was a very good one. Notwithstanding, he scored, I think statistics show they have scored not less than 854 goals since his football career started, and but for now it looks as if what's his name, Cristiano Ronaldo have actually maintained the record, high record more than himself. But I want to say, let's wish the Argentina star, super player, which is Leo Messi, a quick rest, and so that he can be seen in other matches that have been slated for both clubs. But it would be a very, very painful incident if Argentina didn't being seen in the World Cup because of Leo Messi. I don't think so, but I think they have tough players also who have been playing with other international, some who have been playing with leagues, and I believe they will be also be featured. To I think Aguero and the rest of them, if I'm not mistaken, they will be also be seen in that. I think one of the players also played with Bayern Munich, that's of Leo Lewandowski, as well as his name. They will be seen. So Leo Messi won't be being seen in this international qualifying matches that will be played. Argentina with other country that will be features in the next 2 weeks from now. So Leo Messi is being asked to rest for some days, and agreed by those two clubs, so that this gentleman can actually gain his strength for any subsequent matches that will occur in the nearest future. So Leo Messi have been given 2 weeks to have a rest. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.